successful and happier life. In this world, we are too busy working on our mindset. We go to schools, colleges, universities, and even read self help books to make sure that we learn and know more. That's wonderful, but that's only helping our minds. And unfortunately, everybody pushes us to work towards the mindset. They believe success underlies in knowledge, while that's only one of the four important elements of the success. In life, to be successful, productive, and happier, we must work on four elements: the mindset, the health set, the heart set, and the soul set. Only these four elements can help us know more, stay healthier, become successful, and be joyful. Let's go through each one of these below. In the end, we will create a 5-year plan based on these four elements and the T20 formula. The mindset. The mindset is not as easier as it seems. Yes, you can build a good mindset through the books you read, the people you meet, the things you say, and the words you speak. But you may end up feeding your mind negative information from the social media or the internet or the negative people, intentionally or unintentionally. So we have to be careful about where we live, where we work, where we go, and what we read. They all contribute to shaping our mindset one or another way. Second one, the health set. A healthy person has lower stress and a higher productivity level. Therefore, some of the well-known corporates encourage their employees to go a gym or at least work out at home. If you don't have the time to go to a gym, at least take 7 minutes out of your morning routine and do workout at home. And don't stop until you sweat. It ignites your energy, dissolves your stress, and expands your joy. Third one, the heart set. Humans are controlled by their hearts and emotions. If we don't work on this very element, we may end up affecting all other three elements. One way to make sure you contribute to your heart set is that you write on a personal diary, or you speak to someone you trust, or speak to God through prayer, or whichever means. As very well said by Sigmund Freud, unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and they will come forth later in uglier ways. Third, the soul set. There are people that are smart but ugly inside. You immediately realize that their arrogance is above their knowledge. And believe me, it gives them stress as well. They just don't know how to get out of this evil trap. It is very important for human beings to work on their souls on a daily basis. You contribute to having a perfect soul set by making donations, helping others, praying in the morning, showing gratitude, and doing meditation. If you think that's a lot of work to do, the 2020 formula will help you work on all of the four elements in 1 hour on daily basis. What is the 2020 formula? The 320's formula says you must wake up early in the morning and divide your given 1 hour in the following order: 20 minutes for move, 20 minutes for reflect, 20 minutes for grow. Now it's up to you how you divide the four elements using the formula. I put the health setup and heart setup elements to the move category, the soul set to the reflect category, and the mindset to the growth category. During the first 20 minutes of my day, I decided to work on my health setup and heart setup by doing a 7-minute workout and express my emotions on a piece of paper. The second 20 minutes of my day to reflect and work on my soul set by meditating, reading, and doing the morning prayer. And the last 20 minutes of my 1 hour to grow my by reading books, planning my day at work, and writing an article if possible. That's how I plan my morning. Feel free to use the same format and come up with one for yourself. I hope it helps you. Thank you, and don't forget to share this article. Successful and happier life. In this world, we are too busy working on our mindset. We